How to add Google Keep Notes, Note Collection, or Single Note widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the Home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, touch and hold. Then tap on Widgets at the bottom. Now scroll down. In here, tap on Keep Notes. Then we scroll down and choose which widget you'd like to add to the home screen. So here, I'm going to touch and hold on the Note Collection widget, and then I will place it on my home screen here. And here you can choose a note. So I'm going to choose a type, say Inspiration. And here is a note you added appear here. Now I'm going to touch and hold and then tap on Widgets. Now we go down and we try to add in another widget. So Keep Notes, and then we add in this time, we add in a single note. And then we drag it onto your home screen, and then we select that single note. And that's it. So it's here. It's always ready for you to write note, or you can edit it as required. And then just tap on the back key. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.